not afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah.
So what's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that cinematic intro. If you can notice, I'm in a different location. This feels so much better. I can like stand and move around now, so it's like I can nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, fuck that. Not much is going on. Obviously my hairstyle is different. That's the point of this video, but I want to give you a quick weekly update. Why I've been so busy. A lot of good things have been happening to where I haven't had time to YouTube. Between talent agencies, managers, opportunities, moving out, you know, a lot of good stuff. So I'm just really blessed right now, so I'm happy about that. Probably recently noticed that I always do this hairstyle, which is, you know, 2-strand twists with the cornrows on the side and an undercut, all pulled back into a man bun. Not very hard to achieve. This is my signature hairstyle. It's my favorite hairstyle. I have not seen anybody else do this hairstyle. So if I see another YouTuber do this hairstyle and claim it's theirs, I'm gonna expose them. I lied. Okay, I lied a little bit. All right. So I stole this hairstyle from one of my favorite anime characters. If those y'all my anime characters, what's up? Hey guys, yes, I watch anime. I love anime. I've seen so many anime, like so many, like a lot. Yeah, but I got it from Soul Eater. This is one anime character named Kilik. And he is this black guy, black anime character who can control fire and thunder. Yeah, he has the what looks like dreads or 2-strand twists. I do not know. I think they're dreads for the most part, but he also has cornrows on the side, which is where I got the idea from. So I tried it out and I love it. It's not much to it. It is a 2-strand twist on the top. Instead of putting 300 micro twists, which is what I usually do, I decided not to do that because I'm lazy. So I decided to turn 8 hours of doing my hair into an hour and a half by putting 30 regular 2-strand size twists instead of like, you know, like 300 of them. So much easier, still looks really good, cuts my time down by like 80 to 90%. But yeah, so that is my new hairstyle. I just want to make a quick video and show y'all that. I really like it a lot. Cornrows on the sides all the way around with 2-strand twist on the top. It can be dread. Sometimes with this hairstyle, I will have a few of them hanging down. You know, I'll pull some down real quick right there. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this setup. I mean, it's basic, but it's like I like standing up. I don't care for sitting down like my other videos. I was always sitting down. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. It's a short, quick one that I just wanted to express for y'all. I should really make a video on really how I did this style, but I will get to that because one, I suck at cornrolling, so I need help cornrolling my back. So my friend's gonna have to come in the video. She's a little shy. This hairstyle is my favorite hairstyle. I always rock it. It's my preferred hairstyle. It looks different. It's like a cross between, to me, it's like a bad boy surfer vibe. Cornrows with the man bun, 2-strand twists, you know, some of them hanging down and shit. It's like a, I don't know, I get a bad boy surfer vibe. That's me. So I hope y'all really like the hairstyle. I can't wait to make more videos. I'm really excited to show y'all some new stuff I've been doing between shirt brands and skincare routines, like the products I use. So I'm gonna introduce y'all to that. If y'all wanna buy my skincare regimen, please do. I don't have to, but be really